Skill Transfer is a web-based video platform that connects high school teachers with working professionals. Working professionals have insights into everyday work life that they can share with high school students and really help them make better career decisions earlier on in life. When I was a kid, know what I wanted to pursue, what kind of career I wanted to pursue. I heavily relied on teachers and my parents to give me the best recommendations. And that was maybe not in line with what I was actually passionate about. And with Skill Transfer, we want to change that. We really want to empower students to make better decisions and really pursue what they believe in and what they are passionate about.